Good morning children. So we are doing chapter 3 additions completed children. Today we are going to do the multiplications, and after that in this chapter only you will be having the divisions also, and all together addition, subtraction as we have completed in the previous classes. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division all together also they will be give the sums. So based on some of the formulas we have to do all these 4 sums together. Okay, so that will be discussed in the next class. Today you are going to be do the multiplications. So after multiplying the multiplier and multiplicand, the answer what will be getting, that answer will be known as the product. Okay, so find the products. It means multiplying the 2 digits will be get the answer. No, that will be the finding of the products children. So for this, open your classwork, and in the first section you will be having 6 sums. Okay, textbook page number 68. In Roman number 1, you will be having the 6 sums. So out of 6, 2 you are going to be write along with me in the classwork, and remaining 4 as a homework have to do children. Okay, so while you are writing in the classwork, write chapter 3 exercise 2, or you can write exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2. Okay, exercise 3.2. Open your textbooks everyone. Textbook page number 68. In the 68th page number, section 1. Section 1, write the heading in the classwork children. First you write the heading in the classwork with black pen. Find the products. Okay, find the products and write the first one. Same, write along with me. 5372 5372 into 135. 135. And next, second sum. 21,325 into 105. Okay, these 2 sums you have to do now in the classwork children. After writing with the black pen, now take out your blue pen and write copy the first sum outside the margin. And dear children, you can draw 2 lines in the middle, because one sum you will be due here and second sum will be continued in the second side. First one, write along with me everyone. 5372 into 135. Okay, after that is equal to same. Write the number 5372 into 135. Give half a finger gap and write neatly children. Now in the first ones place, what the number is there? 5. With 5 multiply all the 4 digits. 5 2s are 10. Answer right down of the line, and carry forward will be above the line. 1 is the carry forward. 5 7 is 35 plus 1 is 36. 3 and 5 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 is equal to 18, and 1 5 4 is 25 plus 1 is equal to 26. So ones place we completed. So write in the ones place into. It means now you should not continue in the ones place. As we are doing from the second tens place onward, your numbers also must be come from the tens place only children. Okay. So 2 3s are 6. 3 7s are 21. 2 is a carry forward. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 11. 1 and 3 5 is 15. 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. Okay, so as you have completed ones place and tens place values, so put into mark in the ones place and in the tens place also. Now from the hundreds place we are doing the multiplication. No, so the answer also have to write from the hundreds place itself. Okay, now write along with me. 1 2s are 2. 1 7s are 7. 1 3s are 3. 1 5s are 5. Do the addition of these 3 numbers. 0 down, not any number, no, write 0 directly. 6 plus 6, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 2 12. 1 again. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 7 15. 1 carry forward. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 6 9. 9 plus 3 12. 1 again. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 5 7. Okay, answer completed. So like this, the first sum has completed. Now coming to the second one. Same on second sum also. Copy the sum again. 2 1 3 2 5 into 1 0 5. Copy again everyone. After writing that, same number put is equal to and write 2 1 3 2 5 into 105. Draw the line. From the ones place, start doing the multiplication. 5 5s are 25. 2 is the remainder. 5 2 is a 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. 1 is the remainder. 5 3 is a 15. 15 plus 1 16. 1 is the remainder. 5 plus 1 is 5 and plus 1 6. 5 is a 10. Now ones place complete put into mark in the ones place. Now 0 table very easy. All zeros in the 0 5s are 0, 0 2s are 0, 0 3s are 0, 0 1s are 0, 0 2s are again 0. Now ones place and tens place both we have completed. So in ones place and tens place put into mark. Now start writing from the hundreds place. Okay, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, again 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2. Add the numbers, put addition symbol and do the addition. 5 on non-correct number no, so directly write 5. 2 plus 0, 2. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 carry forward. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Next, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 3, 3. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. And directly 2. So like this, have to do the 2 sums in the classwork book and remaining 3, 4, 5, 6 sums of section 1 have to do it in the homework book neatly children.